Yo, what is good, Driving Addict fans? It's your boy Driving Addict, and I can't help but you know, I'm fascinated by these in-garage delivery, or key by Amazon. I think that's the correct term for it. So today is actually the first time I have an in-garage delivery that's during the day, you know. So I'm gonna show you just a simple tutorial, and I'll try not to show any address. You know, if I do, you know, please tell me on the comments. So I'm gonna turn my phone around and show you a little bit. Alrighty, so first thing is you say got it. You know, you gotta acknowledge that you watched the video. And I acknowledge that I watched the video. And press start travel. Start travel. So this house is only like this delivery is 2 houses down from my last delivery. Start travel.
Head south on Gearhart Lane, then in 150 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
Then I'll record some more when we get to the delivery. Alright, so I'm at the delivery. It's like 2 houses down from my last delivery. And I'm gonna turn my phone around so I can do a tutorial for you guys. Alright, so first thing first, press I've parked. Alright, so after you press I've parked, press scan packages. And we'll go on from there. Alright, so this package is in this orange tote. I'm gonna look for it and scan it. I'm not gonna show you that part because that's gonna show the address. So after I scan it, I'm gonna bring it to the garage and do the next step. Alright fam, so I just scanned the package. It's a large box. And now I'm gonna walk towards the house. Shoot. It's very hard to Alright fam, so I just got my package. Now I'm gonna walk to the house. And then we'll go on from there. I'm gonna walk to the house. Yeah, this iPhone is very hard to hold. Alright, I'm at the house. I got my package. Then on the app, you would press continue with one package. And then on the app, it says this delivery may be recorded. And then you would swipe it to open. You would swipe to open. So I'm swiping to open now. Look at that. Look at that. So now it's going up. I mean, the garage is opening. And you place the package inside the garage. You would place the package inside the garage. So you put it in the garage. Then you walk out of the garage. You would walk out of the garage. Well, the phone service kind of sucks today. It says there was a problem opening the door, but the garage door is already open. So hold up 1 second. Well, that's a glitch today. I pressed retry open on the app, and it actually closes the door. So and that's all there is to the in-garage delivery, I guess.